Hey, can you guys see me? I'm not sure. I'm trying to use the Streamlabs thing, but I don't know if it worked. I'll try to see. Yeah, it's working. Hey, can you guys see? There's a lag, but I guess it's working. What the fuck? Why is there a lag? Why can't I see the chat? Why can't I see the chat? I don't know, this feels weird. Why can't I see the chat? I don't know how to update these things now. I think there should be a way. Okay, for now, I don't have time for this shit. I'm just experimenting with it, so spare me. I'll quickly do problem of the day and then I'll end the stream. It may be 10 minutes stream. It may be 10 minutes or even lesser stream. Okay. So I want to do it quick and then I want to end. I don't have time today. Really, I don't have time. Maybe I'll try to do night's Code Forces stream. I want to see the chat and then what? It's not there now. So let me read this and then let me try to do it quick. You're given a positive integer n. You're given a positive integer n representing an enclosed city. Okay. You are also given a 2D grid buildings where I want to interact. Like I want to see the chat, but I don't know. For today, I will keep it short. I'll end it quick. Okay, sorry, I cannot see the chat. My idea was to see the chat while I can type it, but I don't know it. I'm not able to do it yet. I'll check it slowly. So we have always 50% acceptance, right? But let's read the problem and try to do it quick. Where buildings denotes a unique building location located at x comma y. Where so you're also given 2D grid buildings where buildings denote a unique building located at coordinates. Buildings of I denote that, it seems. Okay, we have an enclosed city. Buildings of I denotes that you have a unique building at this coordinates. A building is covered if at least one of the building in the 4 directions, if there is at least, so for this to be covered, either one of them should be there, it seems. Return the number of covered buildings. What? Is that it? So you have buildings, you want number of covered buildings. Is that it? At least one of them. So counting covered buildings is easy or not, but counting uncovered buildings is easy, right? An uncovered building is unique. So if you I think this, I don't know why this is any difficult. Is it like you are asked to count covered buildings? You should return uncovered buildings. Is that it? What is n? N is small too. Is that it? All coordinates of buildings are unique. So what is this about? Like counting uncovered buildings, because a building is either covered or uncovered, right? We want to return uncovered buildings. Isn't this easy? Or even the other case is easy, right? Or even the other case is easy. You just put everything in a map of pairs and you just check. Right? I don't know what's wrong here. Like, should we do complexity, lesser complexity? Should we try to hash them as n into n number and then try to instead of doing n log n, do it in O of n? Maybe I didn't understand the problem correct. Maybe I haven't understood the problem correct. No building has at least one building in all four directions. Okay, I see the problem now. Okay, I see the problem now. Okay, it's not adjacent. It's not adjacent. There is at least one building in all four directions. So for a building you have these directions, right? There should be at least one building in all these directions. That's the question, okay? So when you're at a building, not adjacent, but from that building you must have a building in all four directions. So what does that mean? From here, if you go above, somewhere on this line should be a building. From here, somewhere, okay, for a building, we are brute forcing building, let it be x comma y, okay. There is some building on x comma y greater than y naught. Let's call this x naught comma y naught, right? There is some building on x comma y less than y naught, right? You are fixing x, fixing x. Above there must be a building, below there must be a building, and there must be a building, comma y. These are the conditions, right? These are just the conditions. Here there should be a building, 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 right? Or you can say that thing should not be the either end of this side or that side, right? In other words, implies and implies. So it's all about writing conditions down, guys. So if you see, has a building on all four sides, implies and implies, in its x it's not at border, right? In its x level it's not at border. Also in its y it's not at border. If these two are satisfied, then you are having four buildings, right? What do I mean by border? For this given x, for this given x or y, for this given y, if you have x, I can't see myself. That's what feels weird in this setting. I can't see myself. The fuck. I don't know, like, if how I'm looking, or like if lighting should be adjusted, or if even viewers are present. Who am I talking to? Do we have viewers? Yeah, we have 15 viewers. So yeah, so for each row, if I have minimum index and maximum index, for this row, if I have minimum index and maximum index, the condition is this should be in between. It should not be that. And for columns too, we can just have that, right? So what would I do? I will have min row, min x, max x, x min, x max, xmas. No, it's x max, not xmas. X min, x max. We don't have xmas, guys. Should I name it as xmas? So x min, x max. So what I'm trying to do, for each x I will find, for each y I will find x min and y x max. For each x I will find x min and y x max. Then again going over everything, and what do we do? The fuck is this noise? Going over everything, and what do? We make sure that it's in between x min and x max. It's in between x min and x max. So that's all we need. If for each row and column, or for each x comma y, if you know y min comma y max, and similarly for the other thing, then you can just check this should be in between, this should be in between, and you are done. So if all we have to maintain is this, and then we are done. Okay, if we know x min and y min and x max and y max, we are done. What is this x min? For a given y, okay, because values are less than or equals to 10, 29, right? X equals to f of 0, let's say y equals to f of 1. I hope this is the thing. x min of y equals to, fuck, now I have to initialize them to something, right? Let me initialize x min of I2, because we only encounter to that row or column if a value is present. So if a value is present in the future, it will be initialized. It will take some value, okay? These are just initializations. I hope. So what is difficulty in this problem? I don't know. It's not difficult. It's like it's again the same. Something is given. You have to convert that into some simpler conditions. Okay, something is given. Convert that into implies and implies simpler conditions, and then you code that simpler conditions. Okay, it's an easy problem. I don't know why 52% like. Something is given. Try to convert that into some equations, or try to convert them into something that's simpler. A building on either side is same as not at the end. In this row, it's not at the end. It's in the middle, it's not at the end. It's as simple as that. So now if you know both ends, you can check if it's at the end or not. To what it means to know both ends. To just get min and max, that's it, right? So min and max is nothing but we're trying to get the both ends. If you get the both ends, then we can just check if you're in between or not, right? That's it. And this should not be complex. This should get used to such simple things. Okay, for each x we have a new point and we are updating the values. See, it's about writing these things. If you're feeling confused in writing these things, what you have to do is not remember this. If you know what this means, then you can write this. It's all about defining things well, okay? If you define what y min is very clearly, that for a given x, y min of x will store minimum value of y in that and maximum value of y in that. It's about defining that well. It's not about coding. It's about defining that well. If you define that well, you know, okay, for y min of x, what is y min of x? For a given x, y min of x is minimum value of y among all the points with value x. So we are trying to update them by this format, by writing this thing. Yeah, that's it. Now int answer equals to 0. Again, I'll do the same shit. Okay. Answer plus equals to what? X min of y less than. I can even put not equals to. Okay. It's not at the end. It's not in the left end. Okay. It's not in the. For a given y, it's not in the left end. Okay. And y min of x not equals to y. And see, codes can be simple and beautiful if you just define them well. I know this is an easy problem, but still, right? Why did this become simple? They have given us 4 OR conditions. It's again contrapositive. Like if you negate things, like given for OR, but in AND it's simple. In AND it's not at the end. Something is left is nothing but not at the end, not at this end, not above, not below. And that's a good covered shit. And it works. Okay. It works. Oops, it's not an if condition. So I'm submitting. That's it, guys. Simple codes, simple solutions. Should I paste my golden rules? What is happening? One comma one. Can I visualize them quick? 2 comma 3, okay, 3 comma 3, 2 comma 2, 1 comma 3. The fuck have happened? See, talking and solving is not that easy, okay? We make errors while doing so. What the fuck is this issue? What? I haven't slept properly in days, okay? That's the problem. I haven't slept properly in 2-3 days. In 2-3 days, I haven't slept properly. Okay. Oh, is that how the acceptance rate is defined? Is that what acceptance rate means? See, beats everyone. Huh? I mean, we need not beat everyone, right? How to beat these people now? I know this is good code, but how to beat these people? We don't beat them. Beating others is dumb. Doing these things is dumb, right? It's either solving the problem or not solving the problem, or is solving the problem in O of n. Yeah, you are solving the problem in O of n. Don't worry about like stupid things. Like coding is not about doing stupid things. Okay, coding is about solving problems in a nice way. It's all about. It has been told that something should be on either side. We are negating it like contrapositive. Okay, we write truth tables to see this implies and implies, negation q implies negation q, p. That's how we write them. Otherwise, how can we think of that? If you don't write if you don't write truth tables, I don't know why it's difficult. Truth tables. Yeah, if you don't write truth tables, how can we visualize that? I thought of that, how to prove that, but truth tables are the only way for me to do that. Leave it. Truth tables, like we write TF, FT, or such things. Okay guys, I'm ending the stream. I don't know if I came in the picture or if I came in the frame even. Okay, all of that is not needed. I don't know where is that guy who took my membership. Okay guys, I'm ending the stream. It's too much. 18 minutes is too much. I don't know if I'll do Code Forces stream or not. I'll do better streams in future. See, you guys got the live chat. You guys got all the new things coming. Right. See, here is chat.